Niveda RM, founder and CEO, Trashcon Labs. Niveda founded Trashcon in 2016 after she and a group of her friends had cleared a lane near her college in Bengaluru that had been piled with waste for months, only to find that it was filled with waste in a week's time. Without revealing how and what they actually did, let me share with you that today Trashcon benefits 40,000 people, prevents 1,600 tons of carbon emissions, 146 tons of GHG emissions, and saves 54 acres of landfill area. Trashcon has been awarded several accolades from the UNDP, from the government of Karnataka, Shell, Cisco, and many more agencies. Niveda is a qualified chemical engineer from Bangalore's RV College of Engineering. So please welcome Niveda, who will elaborate on Trashcon.
So before I begin with what we did to create that change, I asked one question when the waste reappeared again. And I'll pose that question to each one of you here. I asked, where does the waste go after it goes out of our houses? Any answers? What happens to waste when it goes out of our houses? Landfill, okay, Delhi people know it well. But frankly, I had absolutely no clue until 2 years ago, till I saw this. And as you rightly said, this is where 95% of the 2 lakh tons of municipal waste ends up in dump sites, in landfills, in rivers, oceans, and क्योंकि अभी कोई जगह बचा नहीं है in front of our houses. And what is step 2? It gets burnt, right? So I got thinking, there should be some solution to this problem which is so huge. But to find a solution, I had to know the root cause. So we started doing a lot of research. What could be the possible root cause? Why this is happening? Because I am disposing my waste properly. But still this is happening. And after many months of research, we came to a very profound realization, which was this. This is how Indian waste looks like. I'm sure all of you, even while coming here, would have seen it already, right? So now you see that blue color cover there? It has sanitary napkins, diapers, blood, tin, metal, glass, whatever is there in your mind right now will be there. Even dead rats have seen it. So now how can anybody possibly make any value out of this waste? Now what happens when you don't make any value out of this waste? It has to get dumped. So that's when an idea came, what if I take this waste and try and segregate it automatically? Because I don't want to touch the waste, I don't want somebody else touching the waste, into degradable and non-degradable. Because the moment I separate it, I can make some use of the degradable and some use of the non-degradable. It does not have to go back as trash. But as simple as it sounds, we were talking about a system that was taking all kinds of unknown variables and giving out known variables. It's impossible. No, look at your own dustbin. Every day it changes. And that's what the world told us. Niveda, it is impossible. But that's exactly when we thought somebody has to do it. So we spent 2 years in the dump sites slogging to find out what is it that could help us distinguish. And after 2 years of sitting day and night in landfills with the rag pickers, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the world's first completely automated mixed waste segregation unit, Trashbot. We did it. We did it, and Trashbot can segregate thousands of kgs and tons of waste automatically into degradable and non-degradable, and it can fit inside the stage. That's how compact it is. And Trashbot can take this mixed waste, segregate it into degradable and non-degradable. These are real images, friends. Left side is reality, right side is after it goes into the machine. And the degradable waste is then converted to biogas, bio-CNG, compost, given to farmers, used as fuel. And again we were stuck at the non-degradable part, because that was all these one-time use plastics, multi-layered packaging. So we went a step ahead and made another technology which can convert these into boards. Boards that can be used instead of plywood and particle board. Boards that can be used as tables, chairs, furniture. Friends, these are real products that we have made already out of the waste that you see every day on the street. Thank you so much. And These are all different possibilities. So what I'm saying is out of this waste, we have made manure, biogas, bio-CNG, tables, chairs, furniture, plastic roads. I'm gasping for breath because that's the number of opportunities that could happen with this technology. So without already we are doing 40 tons of waste today. We are looking at 100 tons by the end of this financial year. And by 2025, we are looking at 1/4 of India's waste. And why are we doing this? We are a group of engineers who are slogging day and night in the dump sites to solving one challenge after another. Why are we doing it? Because we are driven by a very simple dream. A very simple dream in which I tell a story to my daughter, a story 20 years down the lane, saying, Beta, once upon a time, there was trash. And my daughter says, Mama, what is trash? And that is the kind of vision we have. Come be a part of the solution. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Niveda, for elaborating on trash.
I heard the waste to wealth story. What you did there was tell us that, as Madiba said, it only remains impossible until it's done. So it's amazing. Thank you very much for sharing that with us.